in personal injury cases typically involves several key factors and types of damages. Here's what you should know. Some types of damages. First, we have economic damages. These are quantifiable costs resulting from the injury, such as medical expenses, lost wages, and property damage. Non-economic damages. These include pain and suffering, emotional distress, loss of enjoyment of life, and loss of consortium. Then we have punitive damages. In some cases, if the defendant's conduct is found to be especially harmful, punitive damages may be awarded to punish the defendant and deter similar conduct in the future. Next, I want to talk about calculating compensation. The amount of compensation depends on the severity of the injury, the impact on the victim's life, and the economic losses incurred. Future expenses such as ongoing medical care, loss of future earnings are also considered. Here are some factors influencing compensation. Number one, liability. Establishing who is at fault is crucial. In some cases, there may be shared liability. Number two, insurance coverage. The defendant's insurance policy limits can affect the compensation amount. Again, this is for settlements. Number three, jurisdiction. Laws and legal precedents in the state or county where the lawsuit is filed can influence the outcome. Strength of evidence. Medical records, witness testimony, and other evidence can impact the case's strength. Settlement versus trial. Many personal injury cases, as I've been saying before, are settled outside of court. Settlements are negotiated agreements between the parties involved. If a settlement cannot be reached, the case may go to trial, where a judge or a jury will determine the compensation. Legal representation is key. Personal injury lawyers play a vital role in negotiating settlements and representing clients in court. Their fees are often a percentage of the compensation awarded. Time limits. There are statutory time limits known as statutes of limitation within which a personal injury claim must be filed. Variation by case type. Different types of personal injury cases, such as car accidents, medical malpractice, or workplace injuries, can have specific considerations and laws applicable to them. Impact on victim's life. Compensation is also influenced by how the injury affects the victim's daily life, career, and relationships. Each personal injury case is unique, and various factors can influence the compensation amount. Legal advice is essential for navigating these complexities. If you or someone you know have been injured due to the fault of someone else, call our office today.